Alright guys, that's probably too close. Guys, we're starting this video out in Matlock, Washington. This is what the town consists of right here. This store. And we're low on gas. And that's the gas pump right there. Look at And yeah, out in Matlock they don't have any premium gasoline. So we're putting unleaded gasoline along with this Mag 1 octane boost. Should mix in there and do some, I don't know, dude. By the way, this is all because we're trying to get out to a waterfall to jump off of it today. And it's in the middle of nowhere.
And what did Brae forget to do?
Fill up on gas back in Shelton. That was Carl.
Locals, man.
So far the gas situation's good. We haven't blown up yet, so that's a positive. Woohoo! I hope I'm in focus. I can't see, my monitor broke on my camera. That was power. Just got to Wainuchi Falls, half-mile hike in, and we're gonna jump off this 60-foot cliff and hopefully not die.